Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can interlink the dimensions. For this tutorial I am using the FreeCAD version 1.0, so you must have at least 1.0 or higher version than this. If you want to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. This course also available on Udemy, but problem is that Udemy only give me the 37% of a course selling. You can see here user had paid $15, but I have only got $5. If you wanted to see the review of my course, you can go to the Udemy and search for the FreeCAD, and you will see my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. And this course is took by the more than 2000 students, and I have got the rating of a 4.1. For the demo lectures you can expand it and see the demo lectures and the course structure. But I will request you, if you found my course interesting and the reviews of the other student on Udemy, then I would request you to buy my course from my coffee shops, because if you buy from here it will help me a lot. So once you buy my course, you will be redirected to the Google Drive, and here is the my course, complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. Go inside, and the sections I have shown you on my Ko-Fi shop page. So exactly same lectures under the section is created. For example, section 1 is introductions to FreeCAD 1.0 and what is new in FreeCAD 1.0. So if we go to the section 1, so there are the 18 lectures, and if you go inside of this sections 1, you will find the 18 lecture total. And once you go to the lecture 1, you will find a video file which you can download to your system, and you can watch it. And this course is updated on a equal interval of a time once the new features came, and once you purchase the course, you have the lifetime access to the course. And in the case of any doubt, any query, you can mail me at admin@mechnexus.com. You can find my course link on my YouTube channel. You can see the course link, and you can also find my Ko-Fi course page link on pin comments and video descriptions. So here I will create a new file, and I will insert my body and on the origin plane, and let's select this front plane and click on the sketch and of the origin plane by pressing the space bar. Now here I will create an arc slot, and I will merge the arc center with our part origin, make it coincidence. And now we will constrain it, select smart dimension and provide this radius 100 mm and this radius 200. And now I will move this point, and here I will create a construction line to join the origin with this arc center. So select a line tool, select this, and made it construction. So here is a toggle construction, and select a line tool and join this, and we will also make it a construction. Now we will give the angular dimension, so select the angular dimension and provide the angle of 45. Same way we will also provide here 45. But here in the case if you wanted to keep the dependency of a one angular dimension on other, for example if I change this angle, this will get automatically changed. Let's see it. Let's for example if I make it 55, so this is become 55 but it is a 45, so we will link these two dimensions. So let's see how we can link it. So here I will again make it 45 and edit this dimension, and here I will give the name. So here it is an angular dimension, so for my understanding I will give the angular dimension alphabet A, and it is the first angular dimension, so I will give the A1 and say OK. So name is given here, and now on the second dimension we will edit it, and here you will find the option of expression. So we will click on here expression icon, and here we will type constraints. So once you type the first two alphabets you will get here, so click on the constraint dot, and here we are seeing the A1 because FreeCAD have saved this, and we will select A1. So constraint dot A1, and we can see the result is 45, and we will say OK. Now this is a driving dimension and this is the driven dimension. So once we change the driving dimension, let's if I make it 60, so you can see that this dimension is changed to 60. Now if I make it 30, so these dimensions become 30. If I make it 75, so you can see that my dimension is changed to the 75 bottom one. If I make it 20 degree, so you can see that it is perfectly changing. So this is how you can link the dimension in a FreeCAD sketch. So this is the very simple example I took for the slot, and this method is applicable to the any type of a dimension, either it is a linear dimension, angular, radius, diameter, anything else. So this is how we can interlink the two dimension in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.